Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make seafood spinach dip. First, gather your ingredients, including 10 ounces of frozen spinach, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 8 ounces of your favorite seafood like shrimp or crab. You'll also need seasonings such as garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a medium-sized baking dish for later. Next, let's prepare our main components. Thaw and thoroughly drain 10 ounces of frozen spinach. Squeeze out as much excess water as possible to prevent a watery dip. Cook 8 ounces of your preferred seafood, like shrimp or crab, then chop it into bite-sized pieces. Finally, ensure 8 ounces of cream cheese are softened to room temperature, making it much easier to blend smoothly. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine the drained spinach, cooked seafood, softened cream cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly distributed. Stir in 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for an extra layer of deliciousness. Transfer the mixture into your prepared baking dish and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Your delicious seafood spinach dip is ready. Carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for a vibrant touch. Serve this warm, creamy dip immediately with your favorite dippers, such as crispy crackers, toasted pita bread, or fresh vegetable sticks. It's perfect for any gathering. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.